Unit 110, Passive Voice Revision. Okay, the Grammy Awards. We have a great text. Now, let's read it. The Grammy Awards were established in 1959 by the American Recording Academy, an association of professionals from the music industry. They were originally called the Gramophone Awards. They were for outstanding achievements in the recording industry. It is one of the 4 major shows that is held annually in the USA. Like the Oscars, the Grammys are awarded for artistic and technical achievements rather than for sales, chart positions, or popularity. They include about 108 categories within 30 genres, from rap to classical, from rock to jazz, from pop to gospel. The awards are named after the trophy which the winner receives, a small gilded statuette of a gramophone, handcrafted by Billings Artworks. The award ceremony includes performances by prominent artists, and some of the more prominent Grammys are presented in a widely viewed television ceremony. The Grammys have not always been taken seriously by some musicians and music fans because most of the voting members of the Recording Academy vote conservatively or under the influence of recording companies. In fact, many popular artists such as Elvis Presley, Britney Spears, the Beatles, Pink Floyd, Kenny Rogers, the Rolling Stones, Metallica have been awarded very few Grammys. Some of the latest 49th Grammy Awards were given to Christina Aguilera for Best Female Pop Vocal Performance and to James Blunt for Best Male Pop Vocal Performance. Now, let's look at the text. So, the Grammy Awards were established, in 1959 by the American Recording Academy. They were established, бяха основани. The passive voice. Let's look at some other examples in the passive. They were originally called, here. Те първоначално бяха наречени originally. Първоначално. The Gramophone Awards. What else? It is one of the 4 major shows that is held annually. Така, внимание върху hold. Hold е един глагол, който се използва изключително широко и навсякъде, където имаме употребата на hold, наистина е изключително полезно да обръщаме внимание. That is held annually, които се провеждат годишно. To hold a meeting, да проведа среща. The meeting is held. Много често в the passive. So, next. The Grammys are awarded. Се присъждат за. The Grammys are awarded. Те се присъждат за. What else? Here. The awards are named after the trophy which the winner receives. Наградите са кръстени на трофеят, който победителя получава. To name after. Да кръстя на. Passive voice, страдателен залог тук. The awards are named after. Наградите са кръстени на. What else? Some of the more of the more prominent grammars are presented in a widely viewed television ceremony. Са представени. Okay? Prominent, изтъкнат, бележит. Така, в този контекст. So, they are presented. Те са представени in a widely viewed. Широко гледана. Okay? Телевизионна церемония. Okay, what else? The next sentence. The grammars have not always been taken seriously by some musicians and music fans. Okay? They have not always been taken seriously. Okay? Не винаги са били приемани сериозно от музиканти и фенове. Okay? What else? So, in fact, many popular artists such as Elvis Presley, Britney Spears, The Beatles, Pink Floyd, Kenny Rogers, The Rolling Stones, Metallica have been awarded very few Grammys. Са били наградени с. Окей, в този смисъл много малко Грами награди. And okay, we have one more, I think. So, some of the latest 49th Grammy Awards were given to. Бяха дадени на. Okay. Христина Агилера. Okay. So, the text is really nice. Can we try and retell this in our own words? Можем ли да се опитаме и да изразиме това, което разбрахме до тук с наши думи? Firstly, this is a text about the Grammy Awards. Yes? What else? What else can we say? They were established, okay, in 1959. Yes? They were originally called the Gramophone Awards. Yes? And, well, it is a show that is held annually in the USA. What else? They are awarded for artistic and technical achievements and not for sales. Okay? The awards are named after the trophy which the winner receives, and it is what? A small gilded statuette of a gramophone. Okay? And in the second part of our text here, we have something really interesting. Some of the most famous artists, like Elvis Presley, Britney Spears, The Beatles, Pink Floyd, yes, Rolling Stones, Metallica, they have been awarded very few Grammys. Okay? So, and here, some of the latest 49th Grammy Awards, they were given to Christina Aguilera for Best Female Pop Vocal Performance. Okay, that's it. Now, something really interesting. Passives. Verbs with two objects. Това, за което ще поговорим сега, това са глаголи, които са следвани от две допълнения. В този смисъл, когато имам active voice, т.е. деятелен залог, след тези глаголи аз имам две допълнения. Идеята е, че при страдателен залог всяко едно от тези две допълнения ще може да бъде подлог. Т.е. ще имам два варианта за страдателен залог. Нека да погледнем. So, many verbs can be followed by two objects, an indirect object and a direct object. Okay, so the indirect object usually refers to a person and the direct object usually refers to a thing. Two structures are possible. Какво означава това? Нека да погледнем примерите, които имаме. She gave me a nice gift. Казахме, че някои от глаголите могат да бъдат следвани от две допълнения. пряко и непряко допълнение. Direct and indirect object. Okay. Indirect object usually refers to person. Най-често непреките допълнения се отнасят до хора. Това са допълненията, към които е насочено действието на глагола. Okay? Direct objects. Okay? Преките допълнения, те се отнасят до някакъв обект, който е действие, който е обект на действието на глагола. В този смисъл, изречението, което имаме, She gave me a nice gift. Me. Here. It is indirect object, and a nice gift is a direct object. Okay? So, I can also say, she gave a nice gift to me. Yes, I can say this. So, I have different ways to say this. Имам различни начини да изразя това. Сега, обаче, ако вместо nice gift имахме object pronoun, ако вместо nice gift имахме допълнение, например it, she gave it to me. Обаче, мога ли да заместя it тук? Как ви звучи? She gave me it. Definitely it doesn't sound good. Определено това не звучи добре. Обърнете внимание, че когато прякото допълнение е заместено от местоимение, задължително то идва след глагола. She gave it to me. Нямам опцията she gave me it. Това звучи ужасно. Така. Нека да мине нататък. Both these structures can be made passive. И двете структури могат да бъдат направени в страдателен залог. I was given a nice gift by her, I can say this, and a nice gift was given to me by her. In the first, indirect object becomes subject, and in the second, direct object becomes subject. В първото изречение, непрякото допълнение става подлог, I was given. Беше ми дадено. Във второто изречение, a nice gift was given, прякото допълнение вече е подлог, т.е. подарък ми беше даден. Okay, some more examples. Още няколко примери, виждате. They lent me, indirect object me, $10,000. Okay. They lent 10,000 pounds, to me. And I can also say I was lent 10,000 pounds, passive. Okay, the indirect object becomes subject here, and 10,000 pounds were lent to me. Okay. So, common verbs that are followed by two objects include give, send, show, lend, pay, promise, refuse, tell, offer. Now, okay, let's use send. Okay. I sent him a letter. Okay, I sent him a letter, or I sent a letter to him. Yes, I can say this. In the passive, he was sent a letter by me. Or a letter was sent to him by me. Okay? Така, абсолютно можете да се опитате и да направите ваши примери с глаголите show, lend, pay, promise, refuse, tell and offer. That's it. Okay, this is our exercise. We have to fill in the gaps using were established, were originally called, is held, are awarded, are named, are presented, have not always been taken, have been awarded, were given. Идеята на упражнението е да се постараем да запомниме изрази от това, което имахме малко по-горе. Okay, let's have a look. Number one, the Grammy Awards what? They were established. Well, definitely this is what we have here. So the Grammy Awards were established in 1959. To establish, основавам. The Rolling Stones and Metallica, very few Grammys. Okay. What can I say? They were awarded. Okay, or have been awarded. The perfect tense sounds better here. Okay. The Rolling Stones and Metallica have been awarded very few Grammys. The Grammys, what? Have not always been taken seriously. Okay. Number 4, the Gramophone Awards. What can we say here? They were originally called. Okay, they were originally called. Originally беше първоначално. Те бяха първоначално наречени. So, number 5. The awards after the trophy which the winner receives. Okay, they are named after. They are named after. To name after the кръстяна. Още веднъж. Number 6. It is one of the 4 major shows that annually is held. Okay? Казахме hold, един наистина много хубав глагол. That is held annually, което се провежда годишно. Annually. Okay, here. Number 7. The Grammys for artistic and technical achievements. Okay, what can we say? They are awarded. I think sounds good. Те се присъждат за. Okay, they are awarded for. Number 8. Some of the more prominent Grammys in a widely viewed ceremony. Okay, what can we say? Are presented. Yes? And number 9, 49th Grammy Awards to Christina Aguilera and James Blunt. They were given, okay? Okay. Well, that's it. Още веднъж целта на това упражнение е да се постараем да запомним изрази. В същото време обърнете внимание на граматичните времена. Okay? Когато е ясно, че нещо се е случило в миналото, 100%, тогава използваме the past tenses. Когато нещо по някакъв начин касае ситуация сега, okay? Ние използваме перфектни времена. Like the Rolling Stones and Metallica have been awarded very few Grammys. Okay? They have been awarded very few Grammys. Каква е връзката с сега? Това означава до сега те са били наградени с много малко грами награди. Okay? That's it. So, this is our next exercise. We have to fill in the gaps with the verbs in the passive or active voice and the correct tense. So, a prize in the brackets given to whoever solves the problem. A prize will be given. Okay. A prize will be given to whoever solves the problem. Passive voice, yes. Number 2, everybody in the brackets shocked, okay, by the terrible news last night. It should be by here, yes, not be. Okay. And it's last night, we have the past simple tense. Имаме last night, така че действие цяло в миналото. The past simple tense was shocked. Number 3. So, the TV is on. Okay. The TV isn't on, sorry. Somebody has turned it off. Okay. Okay. Here the perfect tense sounds best because right now the TV isn't on. Okay, why? Because somebody has turned it off. Okay, here we have active voice. Yes. Number 4, expensive equipment damaged in the storm yesterday. Was damaged. Yes. Okay. Expensive equipment was damaged in the storm yesterday. Number 5, the police hope the drug addict, what? Recognized soon. Will be recognized soon. Okay. So, ще бъде разпознат скоро. Yes. He will be recognized soon. The drug addict. Наркоман. Okay. Number 6. I badly injured several times. What can I say? Okay. I have been badly injured several times. I have been badly injured several times. Okay. And number 7, rules make. So, rules are made to be broken. Yes. Правилата са създадени за да се нарушават. Rules are made to be broken. Are made. Number 8, herbs grow in the garden now. What can I say here? Okay. Herbs are being grown. Okay. This is one option. Okay, herbs are being grown. Can I say herbs grow? Okay. I think yes, we have options here. Grow is a verb that is largely used, so we can have an option here. Сме да кажа, че тук специално имаме опция, т.е. да използваме grow в така, деятелен залог. Билки растат. Herbs grow. Okay, in her garden now. Okay, or are growing. And in the passive, okay, herbs are grown or are being grown. Okay, so let's have it in the passive and the continuous tense. Така, определено в този израз имаме опции, наистина. Т.е. grow е един глагол, който може да бъде използван в нашия случай, както в active voice, така и в the passive voice. Ако аз кажа herbs grow, това означава билки растат. Ако аз кажа herbs are grown, билки се отглеждат. Това ще бъде вече контекст. Окей, но имаме варианти. Така, number 9. Thousands of years ago, mustard, what? Was considered a medicine. Беше считана. Окей? So, number 10. When I moved to Nairobi, a new motorway, what? So now I can say different things there. Okay? I can say, well, when I moved to Nairobi, a new motorway was being built. It means at that time a new motorway was being built. Okay. When I moved to Nairobi, a new motorway had been built there already. В този смисъл, ако употребя минало перфектно, това ще означава, че магистралата е била вече построена, когато аз съм отишъл там. Още веднъж. When I moved to Nairobi, a new motorway had been built. Окей? Мога ли да кажа when I moved to Nairobi, a new motorway was going to be built? Щеше да се строи. Така че в това изречение, то изкарано от контекст, имаме различни опции. Внимание върху това. Окей? Тоест, вече граматичните времена и начинът на боравене с различните форми на глагола съм, нали? Като спрежения, ще поставя това, за което говоря, в различна ситуация и време. Така, айде да го запишем с продължителното време. Was being built. Okay. Number 11. She in the brackets learned Spanish since. Okay. What can I say here? She has learned Spanish since 2001. Okay. It's the perfect tense. Okay. And number 12. If you aren't careful, what? What can I say there? You'll be hurt, you'll get hurt. I would say you'll get hurt. But let's say it like you'll be hurt. Okay. Okay. You will be hurt. Number 13. Has our GP asked to visit us yet? Okay, what can we say there? It's a question. Okay. Has our GP been asked? Okay, been asked. Okay. Has our GP been asked to visit us yet? Как ще кажем това на български? Окей, помолен ли е? Попитан ли е? Нали? Нашият лекар да ни посети вече. Окей? Така. Now, number 14. When I saw him in the restaurant, he was sitting at a table by the window and... What? Was being served wine. Was being served wine. He was sitting at a table by the window and was being served. И му се сервираше. Okay, he was being served. Number 15. Sorry for being late. I stick in a traffic jam for 40 minutes. Okay, I was stuck. I was stuck. Okay, I was stuck in a traffic jam for 40 minutes. Okay. 16. Most of the complaints against the company usually ignore. Okay. Are usually ignored, generally, yes. Okay, but if I'm talking in the past, I can say were usually ignored. Something finished in the past. Така, тук отново бих казал, че имаме опции. Изречението е изкарано от контекст, ако това касае сега. Most of the complaints against the company. Тоест, повечето оплаквания към компанията, срещу компанията, са обикновено игнорирани. Ако разказвам за тази компания в миналото, бяха обикновено игнорирани. Така че имам два варианта. Was, т.е. are or were here. Айде ще го направим в сегашно време. Are usually ignored. So, number 17, during our trip last year, what? We were taken. Бяхме заведени. Sightseeing. Окей. Бяхме заведени да разглеждаме забележителности. Sightseeing. Okay. Number 18. The old petrol station is closed, was closed, will be closed. I can say many things here. Okay. Or has been closed. Whatever. Изречението ни е изкарано от контекст. Тук минават всички варианти. Страдателен залог обаче. Още веднъж. The old petrol station is closed. The old petrol station has been closed. The old petrol station was closed yesterday. The old petrol station is going to be closed or will be closed. I can say everything. Okay, let's have it in the perfect tense. Has been closed. But I can say many things here. 19. I, in the brackets, buy a lot of presents for the children. Okay, I'm coming home right now. I have bought. Така, още веднъж изречението ни е изкарано от контекст, за това нека да поясним. Аз се прибирам, сега в момента, и казвам I have bought a lot of presents. Yes, this is the finished action. Okay, it's active voice there, yes. And number 20, the beautiful bay polluted with industrial waste 3 years ago was polluted. Беше замърсен. Okay. Okay, sorry. So, the beautiful bay was polluted with industrial waste 3 years ago. That's it.